Hello, in this video, we are going to go over the chat feature within your market dashboard. Uh, you ever get caught? You ever get stuck? You don't know where something is? Just go right here. You'll see this little red icon at the bottom of your screen. Click on that. Now, this is not only a chat feature, you have multiple things that you can do in here. So this is your home. You can go to quick starts, understand automations, calendars, marketing. You can just click on one of them and a couple of different articles will load up for just a few different topics in here, right? You could switch in and out of those. You can actually, right now, you'll be under the help. You can go over here, which is the product tours. You click on this. So it's interactive guides that if you wanted to learn more about, say, opportunities, it's going to take you into the opportunity dashboard and it's going to actually do a little live demo here. It's going to tell you what each tab is. You hit next. It's going to go there, give you a description, and so on and so forth. All right. So let's go back here into the chat. And if you wanted to chat with one of our agents, you have a question, not sure how to do something, and just want some guidance, all you have to do is click on that chat and chat with an agent. And we will have this come in. And you can type in your message. Hello, I have a social media connection issue, period. And just like that, agents, it roughly takes around, I would say, 3-minute response time at most. Sometimes they'll get to you within 20 seconds, not even, but yeah, we try to keep it within a 3 to 4 minute response time on that. So they'll come back to us with any type of answers or questions. They'll be able to connect with you. So actually, you know what? I have to end chat here first. That's what. But yeah, so you could come in, you could rate the agent, chat as well, see how it went. Um, but yeah, there's a lot of great things here that you can do with the chat. So you could basically, like I said, reach out to one of our people 24/7, go through different help articles that we have or already done, or even if you're interested in getting a walkthrough of the dashboard and all the features and tools in it, we can do that. All right. So I hope that helps, and on to your next win.